How to handle temptation. Who will not suffer you to be tempted above that ye are able. 1 Corinthians chapter 10 verse 13. It is Satan's purpose to steal the seed of truth from your heart by sending distracting thoughts. It should encourage you to know that the devil considers you a good enough Christian to use as a target. The difference between a Christian and a non-Christian is, though they both may have good and evil thoughts, Christ gives his followers strength to select the right rather than the wrong. You see a man going to prayer meeting with a Bible under his arm. That man was undoubtedly tempted to stay at home, go bowling, or to some other activity. But, as these diverse thoughts came to his mind, he made the right selection, and headed for the church. Another man walks through the night to a bar. It no doubt occurred to him that he had best stay home with his family. But he yielded to the negative thought, and gave in to his lower appetites. It is not the temptations you have, but the decision you make about them that counts. Prayer for the day. Decisions will have to be made each day, Lord. With your strength and wisdom, help me to make the right ones.